How to put countdown widget on Android lock screen and home screen. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now to put the countdown widget on Android lock screen, first of all on the Google Play Store on your device and search for this countdown timer and widget option. So make sure that you install this application. As you do that, you can simply tap on the main screen or the home screen over here and make a long press on the home screen option. Tap on the widget option at the bottom of the screen, and here you'll be able to see various ways or various widget options over here. So we need to have the countdown widget. For that, let's just scroll down, and as we scroll down we might see the option of countdown widget as well. So let's just scroll down and see if we have the option, and there we go, we have at the bottom. Select on this particular countdown widget, and here you just have to select a timer and you can add the widget, and that's how you can put the countdown widget on Android lock screen and home screen. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.